Hello lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys 2 ways of using aloe vera for massive hair growth. Let's dive straight into the video. So this is my aloe vera. So over here I'm coming to cut my aloe vera. You can see me cutting the edges. So I have to take off the sharp edges off and wash it nicely. After it has been washed, I'm chopping it into smaller pieces. So when I'm done chopping my aloe vera into smaller pieces, you can see how it has become now. All I need is my frying pan, and this is the aloe vera that I've chopped into pieces. Here I'm coming to use virgin coconut oil. After adding my 1 cup of virgin coconut oil, now I'm putting my aloe vera and the oil onto fire. It has to be on low heat. So you can see that the aloe vera in the oil is changing color. So you fry it like this on a low heat so it will change color. So after frying it, I will leave it down to cool down. Here it is done cooling down, so all I have to do is to sieve it. So this is my cheesecloth that I'll use in sieving it. And when sieving it, you don't have to squeeze it, because if you squeeze it, the water in the aloe vera will be transferred into the oil. So yours is you hold it, you can see that just hold it gentle and the oil just drain off. After it has drained off, now I'm transferring it into my spray bottle. My spray bottle is clean. I've never used this spray bottle. It is new. No water is in there. So I need my funnel, and I've transferred my aloe vera oil into it. And with this oil, I'm using only pure aloe vera. I'm not adding any other oil onto it. So mine is to set it aside. And I'm coming to now do the second part. And this is also the aloe vera that I'll be using for the second part. So here you can see me cutting the stem and the sharp edges off. So after I'm done cutting and washing it nicely, all I need is the gel. So you can see me scooping the gel out. And you know, because of how jelly aloe vera is, I don't need a knife to do it. So that's how come I'm using the spoon in doing it. I only use the knife to cut it into 2, then I'll use the spoon in scooping the gel out of it. So now now that I'm done scooping all the gel out, I'm transferring it into my blender and I'm done blending it. So all I have to do is to sieve the gel, because I don't need any other particle in my gel, aloe vera gel. So that's how come I'm coming to sieve it, and here too I'm using cheesecloth to sieve it. This will help me sieve it nicely. So here my gel is ready to be used. So you can see my hair, how my hair is looking, and this is my gel that I'll be using. So over here, what I'm coming to do is I'm coming to do a pre-poo. So mine is I'll use it section by section because I want to get every part of my hair. And let's talk about some of the benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera treats dandruff and itchy scalp. It rejuvenates dry scalp and hair. It reduces frizziness and it makes the hair smoother. It also eliminates microbial infections. It also reduces hair fall and it strengthens hair root. It also stimulates hair growth. So when I'm doing it, I'm still twisting my hair into sections again. So you can see I'm applying the aloe vera to the root of my hair and massaging it so well. Now that I'm done using it as a pre-poo, you can see that I've dumped the rest of the aloe vera on my hair well. So with this, I'm coming to leave it on for an hour or two before I'll go and wash it off. So now I'll be using my shower cap, which I will use to cover my hair for any jelly that will stream off. Yeah, so over here I've washed my hair off and you can see how my hair is looking. Now my comb is able to pass through the hair smoothly without me struggling. You can see how smooth and soft my hair has become. So over here I'm coming to show you guys how I apply my aloe vera oil. And with this is just pure aloe vera oil with my virgin coconut oil. I didn't add any other oil to it. So I put it on the scalp of my hair and massage it nicely. So I'm pleating my hair into sections again whilst I'm applying the aloe vera oil to it. Oh wow, you can see how lovely the hair is looking. The hair is looking so nice and beautiful, and with this remedy it really helps your hair to really grow. I've been using this strategy for some time now, and because it is late at night and I'm going to bed, I'm using my hairband to tie on my hair before going to bed so that I will style it for work tomorrow. And look at how my hair is looking as at in the morning that I'm about to go to work. The hair is looking so soft. You know, the aloe vera oil has actually preserved the moisture into my hair, which has helped my hair to become so soft, as you can see in the video. So me styling it in the morning, it was so easy for me to style. And guys, this is my 2 ways of how I've been using my aloe vera. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.